In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your Pinterest profile from Google. If you want a little more privacy and you do not want your Pinterest profile showing up in search engine results, this is a simple setting you can change directly in your account. The process only takes a moment, and once it is enabled, it helps prevent search engines like Google from displaying your profile in public search results. Keep in mind that changes like this may not disappear from search results instantly, since search engines can take some time to update. To get started, open Pinterest and make sure you are signed into the account you want to manage. Then look for your profile icon in the corner of the screen and click or tap on it. This will open the account menu, where you can access your settings. From that menu, select Settings. This is where Pinterest keeps the main options for managing your account, privacy, and visibility. Once you are inside Settings, look for the section called Profile, Visibility, or Privacy and Data. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on whether you are using the app or the website, but you are looking for the area that controls who can find your profile and how it appears online. When you find that section, look for the option labeled Search Privacy, which is the setting used to hide your profile from search engines. Turn on the switch for Hide Your Profile from Search Engines. Enabling this tells Pinterest that you do not want your public profile indexed in places like Google. After you switch it on, Pinterest may show a confirmation message to make sure you understand what this change means. If that prompt appears, select I understand, and then save your changes. This final step is important because your new privacy setting will not be applied unless you confirm and save it. Once saved, your Pinterest profile will be set to stay hidden from search engine indexing going forward. Just remember that already indexed pages may still appear temporarily until search engines refresh their results. So if you do not see the change right away, that is completely normal. And that's it. That is how to hide your Pinterest profile from Google using Pinterest's search privacy setting.